If you eat 5 very small meals between 9 a.m. and 6 p.m., it actually increases your metabolism. Dr. Jason Fung, an expert in diabetes and in fasting, has measured this and has proven that fasting doesn't decrease your metabolism, it actually increases it. The really exciting thing about this kind of fasting is that it puts your body into autophagy, which means self-eating. Autophagy means the body tears down broken parts in each cell. In the state of autophagy, when you fast, the body attacks belly fat. It attacks cancerous growths. We all have them. The body attacks bacterial and viral colonies and overgrowths of candida yeast, all the bad guys. I've written a short book about modified fasting, bringing together the research studies to show what a monthly cycle of modified fasting can do for you. It's called How to Get the Health Benefits of Fasting Without Going Hungry. Just click to get it, and in an hour you can read the whole book and learn about how specific health issues that you or your family may be facing respond to cycles of modified fasting